Welcome to today's video tutorial guide. So I was scrolling to Capcut today and I found this amazing feature in Capcut that is very essential and beneficial to us as graphic designer, mostly if you are smart designers. And this amazing feature right on Capcut is the ability to remove background for pictures. Man, before the creation of this video, I always use a photo room to remove background from my image, and it has been giving me amazing results. But when I found this amazing feature right on CapCut today, I knew I found something better. So in no way I'm not trying to downgrade what photo room I'm doing, but no, I'm just trying to show you that this amazing feature on how to remove background through CapCut is awesome, that you must check it out if you're a smartphone designer and a graphic designer. So guys, before you can use this amazing feature on CapCut, make sure you've updated your CapCut to the latest version on Play Store. So if you've not done that before, make sure you go now to Play Store and just go over to download or install CapCut, and you are using the latest version before this feature can be available. Okay, over to the business of today. To enable this feature, now you can remove background from pictures using CapCut when you've updated it and you are using the latest version of CapCut. So go over to this top right corner over here and you see a feature that says expand. So when you click on that expand feature, it's going to bring other amazing buttons and features on this CapCut that you can start using. So if you want me to create videos on how you can use all these amazing features also on CapCut, you can comment in the comment section right now and just tell me what you want me, and I'll create a video on that. But for the sake of today's video tutorial guide, we'll be using this second to the last feature right here, which says remove background. So click on this remove background and it's going to bring an entire new page just like this you can see on my screen. So it's going to take you straight to your photo album and gallery. So if this is a folder you want to work with, so select the kind of folder you want to work with. Just click on this top feature on this top icon, that it will take you to your device folder and gallery, your photos device, your photo gallery, all the folders you have on your gallery, and you can just select where your picture is and you can begin to work with. So I'll go with this folder and I'll go look for a picture that we can use for the sake of this video tutorial guys. So let me select one of this picture that has a background so we can use it to emphasize. So let me use this picture right over here now. So click on this add button at this top right down corner, and when you click on that import button, it's going to bring something that says removing background. You just have to wait for a few seconds and we are good to go. Can you see now we are good to go? Can you see how fast and swift this is? Can you see how fast and swift? And let me zoom in on this picture so we can see what we work. Can you see now that this amazing is very, like, this picture is very amazing on CapCut? Can you see how even the picture is still intact, and look at the edges are sharp and there is no kind of oversized stuff on them. So this is how you can use this amazing feature to remove background using CapCut. So to save your picture, you can click on this export and you have it exported right to your gallery, your photo gallery or album, and you can begin to use this picture for yourself. So when you click on done right here, so we are done with this picture. So this is everything I want to show you on how you can use this CapCut feature to remove background. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a follow and a like, and make sure you click on that subscribe button now to encourage this channel to even give out more valuable videos, and make sure you share this video to your creative friends and let them see this update. So thank you for watching today's video tutorial guide. See you at the next video.